All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview for U.S. history. This is for the week of January 9th, 2023 to January 13th, 2023. So my office hours this week, Monday 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Friday 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. It's quarter two, week 9, so coming up on the end of quarter 2 here. On Monday, we will look at the lesson, A Growing Economy, and recognize how changes in transportation changed the U.S. Key terms there, assembly line, Charles Lindbergh, and installment plan. Tuesday in live class, we will identify the impact of advertisements and appliances on consumers with the CYU A Growing Economy. Wednesday, with the lesson A Clash of Values, we will describe how nativism in the 1920s impacted the country. Some key terms there: nativism, Sacco and Vanzetti, Ku Klux Klan or KKK, flapper, prohibition, bootlegging, speakeasy, and fundamentalism. Thursday in live class, we will recognize how the role of women changed during the 1920s with the CYU A Clash of Values, And then Friday, we will describe how prohibition impacted the U.S. with the project CNN Student News Summary. Sorry about the typo there. I'll fix that real quick. Student News Summary. Hope you have a great week. Let me know of any questions or concerns.